Today we are going to talk about FormRobin, a platform that helps you to generate AI-powered forms instantly for your business or projects. Collecting information from customers, leads, or website visitors is essential, but building forms, designing them, and analyzing responses that can take a lot of time. FormRobin is designed to simplify this by using AI to create smart forms quickly. So you can focus on using the data instead of building forms manually. In this video, I will explain what FormRobin is, what its key features and who it is best for, and how the lifetime deal works through AppSumo. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology and explore practical tools and platforms that help freelancers, small business, and creators save time and work smarter using easy and effective technology. If this kind of content helps you, make sure to subscribe this channel and also check the link from description to explore FormRobin with any available lifetime deal or free offer. By using the description link, any deal or benefit that will be applied automatically. So you don't need to use any coupon code or do anything extra. Now let's come to the main part of the video. At its core, FormRobin is built to help you to generate forms quickly using AI. Instead of spending time to thinking about questions, layout, and flow, you can rely on the platform to create professional forms that capture the right information efficiently. One of the most important features of FormRobin is AI-powered form generation. You can describe what you need and the AI will create a ready-to-use form with relevant questions, options, and logic. This saves time and ensures your form are well structured. Another key feature is response management. FormRobin collects answers in one place and organizes them neatly. So you don't have to dig through emails or spreadsheets to understand the data. This is very helpful for small business owners, creators, and freelancers who rely on responses to make decisions. FormRobin also supports the customization and branding. You can adjust the look of your form to match your brand colors, logo, and style. This helps your forms appear professional and trustworthy when shared with customers or leads. For teams and businesses, another benefit is the automation and integration. You can connect the FormRobin to other tools to automatically send responses to spreadsheets, CRM, or email systems. This makes workflow smoother and reduces manual tasks. Another important and useful feature is the smart logic and conditional question. Forms can adapt based on the previous answers, ensuring respondents only see relevant questions. This improves the user experience and helps collect accurate data. FormRobin is practically valuable for small business owners, online creators, marketers, and freelancers who frequently need forms for surveys, lead collection, registration, or customer feedback. It removes the hassle of building forms manually while making them smart and easy to use. Now let's talk about the lifetime deal on AppSumo. FormRobin is offered as a lifetime deal on AppSumo, which means you pay once and you get the long-term access. This is ideal for anyone who regularly need forms and wants AI assistance without paying monthly subscription fees. The plan is usually suitable for anyone for beginner or the advanced user. It provides all of the access for the basic AI form generation and the number of responses, which is very enough for all kind of businesses. You can create forms, you can collect responses, you can use the features like logic-based question and integration. This is perfect if you are actively collecting data for marketing, customer feedback, or events. Or if you want a advanced user or the teams or an agency, if your business collects data frequently or for multiple projects, this lifetime deal can be a flexible option. If you want to generate AI powered forms instantly, save time and manage responses efficiently, then checking the lifetime deal through the description link can be a smart move. So overall, FormRobin is a beginner friendly and powerful tool that helps freelancers, creators, and small businesses to create smart forms quickly, collect accurate data, and simplify workflows. So that was the video about FormRobin and its lifetime deal through AppSumo. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like, subscribe this channel for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.